Hello. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil. Today is 2nd of February and it's Monday and I'm going to do the past week review, what happened and where we are right now. So this week started a bit well, but at the end, things kind of messed up and I'm going to cover that. So at the past week we were in loss. We lost 2 trades and then one more. Then we took start risking 0.5%, which was $50, and of this 10k account, and we took 2 RR. The next day it was a break-even trade, and I think I posted this live trade on YouTube. And on this day we collect 3 RR, but because of risking 50 and because of that lot size restriction, we get $133. And after that, after making all a bit back, I plan to risk a bit more, which was 80. That would be 0.8%. So it was Friday, 2 days in the days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I didn't get any trade. So on Wednesday there was this news, BUC military post report overnight, and at 2 p.m. there was FMC, and this was the day, and I didn't participate in it because I wasn't seeing any clear opportunity to trade. There was one, but I think there was news. I didn't highlighted the news here. Let's see. Maybe this video will be a bit longer than usual because I'm not just going to tell that where we are and we lost, but I will review a bit too the past trades and what happened. And it's I was going to plan a bit about this video, like we'll write things or we'll look on the charts before talking, and then I will cover things up. It will be more quick and will be better. But now I'm going to do with the flow with the trade. So I will try to cover things as quick as possible, but not that quick that we didn't cover up the things for what we are making this video for. So on Wednesday, this was 9:45 news. Let me check it. Let me confirm it. Yeah, 9:45 and 8:30. Let's see the 8:30. So my plan was to take a trade after the news. Where was I? So this was a 1 minute view of that of Wednesday price action. I didn't participate in it, and we went lower. This was presented, and yeah, all that. Yeah, and I think it's the bit was a right decision. It was a bit confusing for me. I think I was looking for longs here. I don't know. I talked about it in the trader. No, I think I didn't. In premium, yes, there's also a bearish S&P too, but I didn't participate in that price action. And on Thursday, same story. No entry for me. That day there was 8:30 news, and it was 8:30 news, and it was the day before core PPI, and Friday was the core PPI day. So let's go into that. Thursday, 8:30 is 8:30. The PDRAs are not on the place where they were on Thursday, because on Friday I highlighted more PDRAs, the present PDRAs. So there's a chance that in this we would have not. As you can see, there are much more PDRAs here than here. So on Thursday, this was the first present value gap. This was, I think, let me see. The move was already in, and we start going lower, and at here I remember I was looking or was going to enter on this move, but I didn't because there was not a proper candles or what, and for me it was like a bit late, and I need a more structure like this, late and a bit weak structure. So this was the premium weekly video, and I didn't take any trade here too. This was a 15-minute first present favor. This was the old first present favor. We didn't trade into the 5-minute. Went lower. We hit the discount PDRA as premium, and yes, we start going lower. And yeah, that was the Thursday. I couldn't take a trade. I didn't get the entry, or I was a bit late, or whatever. I think I was looking for opportunity for a reversal because it was smooth highs up there, and no, it wasn't the day to go up, and we went lower. Went into the weekly opening gap plus and these premium PDRAs, and start retracing to the upside. So let's see the day where all the profits vanished, and we are again where we were. And this was the core PPI day, and at 8:30 there was this news, the core PPI, and it was a nasty day, and I couldn't, I did not understand it at that time, and I got into the trap, and you can see I hurt myself. It I took a long here and then a short, both resulted in loss, and yeah, I risked $80 and lost two trades. That would be a logical 160 loss, but because of that spread, uh, it's not a bit more than a bit more. So at first trade I lost $84 and then $107. So yeah, that was a huge difference. I risked 80 and I entered that spread a bit lower, and then the stop loss. Yeah, that it is what it is, and I learned a thing on Friday, and on Friday I saw many people got hurt, and on Friday this was the day, and we were in this 50%. So what I learned is this mistake I think I made. We were in equilibrium. First trade was okay, but after taking that loss, I should have been alert. Should have waited for first presented. Should have should have waited for. Yes. So let's dive into it. What happened? So I was going to make this video on a Saturday or Sunday, but I was a bit I would say busy on Saturday. Uh, I was a bit lazy, or I was on rest. I completed all my tasks and slash goals of the week, and the 2 days were rest day for me. On Saturday, I rested in my home, played a bit games with my friends, and yeah, uh, did some tasks. On Sunday, I went somewhere to my friend, I would say, and we enjoyed the day. And yeah, it was a rest day. It made me tired a lot, but yeah, I'm back, and I have to log in again. It's Monday. I back tested just like before this recording, and now I'm going to make the review video. Where was I? So yeah, let's get into the. I'm back. This is the highlighted weekly weeks. This is the longest week, and this is the recent week premium on weekly chart. I highlighted these are all weekly wicks on daily. As you can see, these yellow lines are weekly opening gaps, or weekly opening gaps, and this is also a weekly opening gap. Oh यार क्या है? So as you can see on daily I highlighted this PDRA, this IFPG. I could have highlighted this too. This instead of that, I don't know why I did that, or why I even highlighted this PDRA. This is Monday. Sorry, it's Monday. This was the Friday. I highlighted this premium week, and all you can see we touched this low quarter. I touched the low quarter. This was the 50% of that 4-hour range. Went above in the New York before, and then session start. This was the Friday starting day. We went above to do the CEO of the weekly opening gap. I don't know we made an SMT or not. I think we would have. Wait, would have. Okay. No, there was not an SMT. So after that, let's just dive into the New York session. And this I highlighted this 1 hour range. This was the we went into the premium. Respected these videos, and upper quarter to the downside. Why did I took a long? So let's talk about it. You can see we went into the discount. Respected this lower quarter candle, we break to the upside, plus this breaking market structure too, and after that we respected on lower time frame. We respected this upper quarter of daily plus monthly to the upside. Okay, and one down thing was this: we were in equilibrium, and as you can see, it's so much dirty on lower time frame, and yeah, I got a trap. I won't say the first trade was okay, but after that I should have been alert, should have been a bit more careful, should have waited for more higher time frame PDRAs or liquidity to be taken, first, and then should have looked for a setup. So on the first trade, this was a 1 minute first presented fair value gap. This the news was 8:30, the 9:30 opening went lower, didn't take any liquidity, but just took the upper side, let's say buy side liquidity, and entered here on 9:41. This was the first presented fair value gap with the breaking market structure. So and we break to the upside of the weekly, but it wasn't on a 5 minute, and after that we hit the stop loss, and I start with what did I do? Then I start looking to the left side, and what happened was, and the buys was correct, but the price action was shitty. Why? So the second I hit the stop loss, I start looking for reasons that did I do any wrong thing? Was my bias correct? What did I did wrong? So I think I find out that it was kind of not a plus setup. We didn't took any low side liquidity, and I should have waited a bit more, and so at least should have waited till this upper quarter on should have waited a breaking structure plus on this upper quarter, and then should expected for buy side to be taken, but I was a bit impulsive a bit I was a bit confident with this trade taking this long, but yeah, as you can see, we respected that low C and start going over, and then the second we hit the stop loss, I'll start looking for reasons that we can go, and why I did the wrong thing, and then I see the left side, we took the buy side plus respected the C of the weekly opening gap, we start consolidating. This was the sign that was that we are in a high resistance liquidity run. So then, so I they start looking for a breaking market structure. We were in premium, kind of in equilibrium, start going to were in premium, then a bit consolidating in this range, and then we break lower. So at here I entered. Why did I enter? The reason is we went into premium, respected the low, C of the week, break to the low side, plus respected this low upper quarter, and the uh, one thing uh, one thing other than other things which made it a bit less probable trade or not a plus, it was the entry was not with the quarters, so it was only on the breaking market structure proportional block on 1 minute time frame, not on a 5 minute time frame. And the second I entered here, I was going trying to enter here this breaking market structure. As you can see, this is the proportional block after this breaker, and I didn't get the entry, and then I entered here because in my mind I was thinking that I may not get the entry, and the portion low, then we break lower, then again made a block, and then break low, and I entered here, and the second I entered, the next candle went above, and the next candle hit the TP capacitor, and then after that we went lower, hit the TP as well as the liquidity, and after I didn't look at the charts at that time. I closed the charts, and after I don't know, at that night or after the next morning, I looked at the charts, and I see this 5 minute first presented fair value gap. That was one of my mistakes. I was talking about that I should have waited for a high time for PDRA after that trade, and seeing this consolidation and not seeing this high resistance liquidity. So on then we uh, went into the first presented fair value gap plus the premium, and took not the high, but respected this touch the upper quarter of the weekly opening gap. We break lower, and after breaking lower, we start going lower, and the TP. And this was a 15-minute first presented fair value. We respected very nicely, and we used it very recently to the downside. As you can see, went above to respected the upper quarter. The body respected the upper quarter very precisely. Break lower, and went above, press into the breaker, and then at the macro we start going lower, and yeah, hit the anticipated target, and yeah, that was the week. And then we start again going up, again going into the first presented fair value, again we respected. I don't know, I think the reason why we again went lower is at that time we didn't took our liquidity. What I mean by this, we went lower, but we didn't took the any recent low to the left side, and on the second time we went lower, took this low quarter, and as well as that low. Let's see if there was any. No, there was not. I was right. Uh, oh, okay. This is the weekly opening gap of the night. I will not cover this up. It's been how long? It's been 28 minutes. Okay. It will be a bit long video than usual. So yeah, this was the day. Let's see the Friday on 5 minute chart, and I highlighted this 50%, all that, and you can see this was the first presented failure. But why did I highlighted this and not this gap? Although this was also a gap after the 5 minute gap after the 9:30, because one reason and only one reason, which is it is with the breaking market section. Okay. And this can also be a first presented failure. This can be also a powerful gap. As you can see, with respect to, and this is the 15-minute gap. And I think what I learned is one lesson is for me, when there's a high resistance liquidity run, the first thing that I should not be trading on that day. But if I want to trade, I should be waiting for a high time frame PDRA. What I mean by this, I should be waiting for a 5 minute, at least 5 minute first presented fair value gap, or 15-minute first presented fair value gap. And especially if I get into that trap like I did on Friday, the first trade took a long, but after that I was saying that we are more probably going lower than going higher. So I should have waited by seeing these candles. As you can see, a dirty price action this week, and went above, then closing lower, then went above, closing lower. The candle are closing with each other, not any space in it, not any gap in it. The first gap after 9:30 or 15 minutes was at 11:45. Can you imagine? And on 5 minute it was at what it was at 10:25, like almost after an hour. And this is a sign for a high resistance liquidity. Now I learned uh, uh, I learned from my mistakes. I learned what did went lower, and that's a win for me. That this what I learned from, if I follow my rules like I will, then this day will be, happen again. This kind of transaction will happen more than 100 times. No, I won't say on 100 times, but at least 30 times this year. At least I think 20 to 30 times a year. And this one loss, this one bad day will keep me away, or will make me win and on those high resistance liquidity run, or will make me away from losses. And when I don't make a loss, when I don't trade, that's also a win. And for me, and yeah, this was the day. And now the week has been ended, and we are again we were a week ago we were $25 away from losing the account, but still we on the next week we made a profit one time at 2 hour, then break even, not a break even, but with a profit. And after taking that break even, we went to the TP, and then again on next day we hit the 3 RR, and then I risked a bit more because when I so then I risked a bit more and got hurt really hard. So it is what it is, and I'm looking forward to come back stronger, and will learn from my mistake. Will not do the same mistakes again, and inshallah ta'ala, uh, uh, you can see 11 wins, 12 losses. Technically, with the 2 RR, and it should be in profit, but because of risking, because of the loss were at the start of the day, I started risking a bit lower, and the wins I get was with the risking lower, and it's also a bit, that thing hurt mentally when the losses are big and the wins are lower. And so, like, I risk I was risking $100, I made losses. I started risking lower, I came back, and the second I start to risk a bit more, I lost again. And it is what it is. And uh, we are still up on US Tech, Nasdaq 68, 67 win rate. Yeah, that's one thing is that I risk a bit more, but yeah, but I may trade on another account with that, because this making me a bit low, that we are in like so much in drawdown, and it will take a long time to come back. I have like some accounts, so I will think about it. May to start trading on another account with this account, risking a lower on that too, and on this too. So right now I'm going to risk again $50 on this account. We are let me see, we are $95 away from losing this count. So it means is if we lost to two trades, we will lose this count. And inshallah, if it's good for me, I will not. And the way I come back from just $25, I came back like from $25, and now it's $95. So it's not a big thing. One good day, one good week can change all the losses, can change all the account, and that's the plan for me. And inshallah, I may not be trading. This I won't be that active on this week. I will try to look for a trade on Monday today. We'll see if there's a smooth price action. Why? The reason is it's the first week of the month. It is the NFP week of the it is the NFP week, and so I should be trading on Monday, Tuesday, and there are many news. Let's see. I will see. I'm not making it a must. I will see the price action. If it will be a smooth, or if I see a smooth price action, I will take a trade. Or if I don't, I will not. Okay, I think that's it. The video is already been like 38 minutes long, and I have to, as usual, I have to speed this video up. And inshallah, things will be better. And one day, inshallah, there will be a day where I'll see a certificate with my name on it, and a certificate of a payout certificate, and it will be soon, inshallah. And mark my words, inshallah. I know, my guts know, my inner inner spirit, or what the word would be for this. I know I will be one of the best. I know. I don't know. Although I haven't passed a single phase till now. I've been trading for almost 2 years. At the exact to tell the exact time, that would be I started learning on June. I think I also noted at a notebook of mine. It's not right now near to me. So yeah, I think it's been 1 year and 6 or 7 months. And yeah, it is what it is, and I'm not disappointed. I'm not demotivated. I'm grateful that there are many people who've been trading for 10 years and they are not profitable yet, or there are people who've been trading for 5 years and they didn't get they then get their right concept, or for 5 years they start learning a new concept, and after 1 year, or I don't know, they start learning. And I'm grateful that I started with the right thing. I'm grateful that uh, I learned the right thing. I know a lot. I know I'm not making right now money, but I know more than 60 to 70 at least. I don't know, I'm not being an overconfident person, or overconfident, but it's just I know that I can read price action better than 60% of the trades. And and that's the thing of trading. reading price action is not enough. Knowing the buys are not enough, and you have to be emotionless. There are more things than technical. I think technical is just 30 to 40% of the trading, and all the 60 to 70% is mental, is psychological, and it's controlling yourself, controlling your emotions, knowing when to do nothing. uh, Learn to do nothing, learn to control yourself, control your emotions. Yeah, I think that's it for today, and inshallah I will come back stronger. I will become the one of the best trader of the world. Smart money concept. I will become the best trader of Pakistan. There's no doubt in it. I will become the best forex futures trader, especially in smart money concept. Not by gambling or not by just risking a bit and what that is that indicators and all that. I will become the best by reading the price action mint by mint, reading like a book, reading it like a book. I can read it like a book. There are some days and when I can't read and I read the price action. I couldn't read the price action. I'm not just like this day, and I will be better in this. There's no doubt in it, and there is no second plan in it. That what if, would have, could have, or anything. I will stick with it, and until I win, until I will one of the best. I will be a one of the best. Until I will be successful in this. Mark my words. Inshallah Taala. Today is 2nd Feb 2026, and my name is Nalayan Muhammad, and I'm in right now. Drawdown of this 10K elite account one phase, and I'm just $95 away to lose this account, and I'm still, and I know I will come back. I will pass the account. I will become a profitable trader. I will make a at least 100K payout in this 2 years. I don't know. I'm not. I think this line would. I will not. That line was not. Would I'm not setting a timeline. I'm not setting a timeline. I know I have to do it quick, but I can't set a limit to my goals. I can't, and I can make millions, not 100K. I can make millions. There is no doubt in it. There is no second thought in it. And inshallah, this day is not far. Allah Hafiz.